Oh my gosh, why am I so nervous? I can't. Oh my gosh, no. Let's talk about getting bangs. I've been actually wanting to get bangs since last year, but instead of getting bangs, I ended up cutting my hair very short. It used to be like this long, and then last January, I cut it all the way here. I don't know how well this is gonna go. By the end of this, I'm going to be like Esteban.
This is a disaster!
I'm going to get forehead acne again. I don't have proper materials. I just have a regular brush. I'm gonna use this to part my hair, and then I just have regular kitchen scissors. This is going to go very, very bad, real fast. Oh boy. I actually have the coronavirus, which is why I sound very nasally and sick right now. I'm feeling a lot better than I was the past week. I'm actually almost done with my 14-day isolation. I want those wispy. Oh my gosh, no. Okay. She's there. Since my hair I look stupid. Since my hair is naturally part in the middle, so I'm gonna have to train my hair to go this way. Oh boy, okay. Does this look, it's not even. I got it in a triangle-ish. It looks even in the mirror, not on camera, but you know what? I trust the mirror more. And the camera's kind of at an angle. So, okay. Oh no, what am I gonna do? I'm so stupid right now. I can't. Okay, I just gotta like, I don't want to look like freaking Dora. Okay. Oh my gosh. It looks stupid. Oh no. What the heck did I do? Okay, I gotta train my hair because it's going this way. I look so stupid right now. I have my straightener and I'm going to straighten this so that way it can go this way. Just gonna like hold it this way and like press on it. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what am I doing wrong? Now I'm grabbing hair from, go back. Stop. Fine, I'm just gonna cut this too. So now I'm going to, this is like the scary part. Cut it shorter. Okay. Oh no, I'm not left-handed at all. Ow. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take this out and try to frame my face more. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Go at this at an angle. I don't know what I just did. Oh no. Oh, that looks so stupid. I cut too much off. Oh no. I look. What did I do? Oh my gosh. I like this thing better. This is a hot mess. Oh my gosh, what did I do? I'm gonna try it on with glasses. Okay. Oh my gosh. So, this, I don't know what this is. This kind of looks bad, but I'm just going to put that. I'm gonna FaceTime my friends and see the reactions. Why did I do this? Okay, let me fix this. Unfortunately, for some reason, my screen recording, the screen recording didn't continue. I think it's probably because I ran out of storage on my iPhone. Anyways, I kind of forgot to make an outro after I FaceTime my friend. I don't know if you are hearing that. I hope it's not picking up, but if it is picking up, I'm so sorry about the sound. They've been doing some renovation or construction or something outside. Yeah, I didn't film an outro. Anyways, I am going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next one.